This is my first pomegranate. It hasn't turned red yet. It's August the 6th. But something started boring a hole in the bottom. All the others look fine, but this one was looking weird. So we're going to cut it and see what it's looking like on the inside, and that will tell me if the others are performing and growing like they should be. All right, so okay, ooh, there's the culprit, an ant. All right, so that tells me what's getting into them. But they're starting to turn, which means they're not ready yet. These kernels should be red, not pink. So it's not long. And from everything I've read, they should be ready in September. So we have about 2 to 3 weeks trying to get there. But you can see they're full of kernels. Most of the kernels look like they're full. I mean, even if they weren't, the juice around them is there. Let's see what it tastes like. It's got a really good taste, but it is a touch on the bitter side. So it's not sweet. So the sweet comes when it turns red. But it would be like any fruit. Once you take a taste of it at this stage, before it turns red, it's going to have a touch of a bitter taste. It's not overwhelming bitter, just a little bit. So that's a little bit about checking for pomegranates to see if they're ripe and to see what was getting in them. And it was a big, huge black ant that was getting into them. So we will check them again in 2 to 3 weeks. I have about 10 or 12 on the tree and see how they look if nothing gets into them. Thank you guys.